Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare birthday cake at home in a easy way. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. If you want, you can even add another egg and make it as 4. But 3 eggs are more than enough. Whisk it well. Add some melted butter. I am using saltless butter. Add sugar powder. For 2 cups of maida, I am going to add 1.5 cup of sugar powder, half tablespoon of cooking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and mix it well. I am going to add 2 glasses of maida. Use the same glass for measuring the sugar too. For 2 glasses of maida, use 1.5 glass of sugar. Gradually add it and keep mixing it well. If it becomes too thick, add milk instead of water. I am using boiled milk. Gradually add it because consistency plays a great role. Now let it rest for 3 hours. Now our cake batter is fermented well. You should get this thick consistency. Now I had placed the butter paper into a cooker and add the batter into it. Just cover it without the whistle, and on a tawa, place this cooker and bake it. See, it is almost half done, and let it bake for another 10 minutes. Now it's perfectly done. It's really very soft. Now just remove it from the cooker and remove the butter paper. I have done this paper at home itself with a A4 size sheet. Now I am going to cut this cake with a thread. That is a normal thread which is used for sewing the clothes. Hold the plate firmly and just cut it. By using this method, you can cut the cake into equal halves. Even if you are using a knife, you may get out of shape, but by using this, you can cut it very evenly. And it is really very easy. See, it's done. I'm using a normal thread. See, I have cut it into perfectly, and it was very easy. And now just pour some sugar syrup so that it gives a sponginess to our cake. I am making a cake roller at home itself with a vessel. Just place the vessel ups and down and just place a plate on the top. See, it rolls very well, and you don't need to buy any cake roller at home. Now just place a plate over it. Now you can very easily decorate your cake with cream. For a whipping cream recipe, just check out the description box. Just with a knife itself, you can spread it out. And once it is done, place the another layer of cake. Similarly, you can place one on the other as a sandwich and just place the whipping cream on the top. If you add more of whipping cream, it tastes awesome. Now I have done everything and just cover the sides with a whipping cream. I have just applied it with a knife itself, but it takes a little more time. For knowing the recipe of this whipping cream, check out the description box. I will give a link over there. I am using a milk cover to make it as a cone and decorating the cake. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and try to make this cake at your home for your loved ones. And decorate it with some grapes. And our birthday cake is ready. You can even decorate it with some sprinklers on the top. It gives a beautiful look to your cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.